What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you can keep up with future builds. In today's video, we're going to be installing an HKS blow-off valve on Kevin's Genesis Coupe. It's a 2.0 turbo. Before we do that, we're going to have to stop real quick at the store and we're going to have to pick up a few parts so we can get started. See you guys there. Okay, so we just came back from O'Reilly's and we got the 3/16 vacuum hose, the 3/8 vacuum hose, and then we got a T-joint for the vacuum line, and we got a step-down converter for the 3/8 to 3/16. So now we should be set, have everything that we need. Right. Okay, so what kind? This is a Turbo X. So we're getting rid of this Turbo X blow-off valve. We just got rid of the 3 Allen keys. We're gonna pull this off right now. Get the other one down. And we're gonna do a step-by-step process on how to install the HKS because a lot of people have confusion on what goes on with that. Okay, so let me see that. So we're gonna put the blow-off valve into this bracket right here, and we're gonna put the C-clip in so it can stay in place. Okay, so we got rid of the other blow-off valve. We had 2 vacuum lines hooked up to the solenoid, and we have this one right here. We're disconnecting everything. We're gonna leave the solenoid without any vacuum lines hooked up to it. We gotta disconnect this one still, and then once all that's disconnected, we're gonna put a vacuum like stopper or blocker, whatever, right here on the this intake, and then we're gonna put another one at this end of this vacuum line right here, and we'll be good. Let's go, cameraman. Okay, so what we're gonna do for the vacuum line for the blow-off valve is we're gonna tap into this one that goes into the intake manifold. Let me take that off. We're gonna pull this hose off. Okay, so we're gonna cut this hose. We're gonna shorten it. Wow.
And the scissors won.
So our scissors broke, unfortunately. So we're gonna cut at it with an X-Acto knife. Let's not cut myself now. Huh?
Because I'm still
Cut
bleeding on my turbo, on my engine, while the video's still rolling.
I don't think YouTube allows blood.
That's why you're wearing red. New dream car. GTR. 911 too expensive.
Yeah. Okay, she's off. That took too long. Ready? Okay. T-joint, vacuum line, connect it. We're gonna connect this into the intake manifold. And then this one right here is gonna connect into that, and it's gonna go over there to the blow-off valve. Better be recording. And then I'm gonna put a step down somewhere. I'll show you guys that later. And we're gonna put into a smaller vacuum line to hook up to the blow-off valve. Okay, so we got this vacuum step down thing or whatever, thingamabobber. We're gonna put it into this vacuum line that's hooked up to the intake manifold, and we're gonna step down to this smaller one, which is gonna go into there, and this is gonna go into the vacuum line. I'll show you guys how it works once everything's put together. Okay, quick overview of everything we did. We got the 3/8 hose hooked up to the intake manifold. We got it T right here, split. We got it going down with a converter that drops it down to a 3/16, and then that goes over to the blow-off valve, and then everything is set up. Exact diagram on how to do it. Okay, so we got the HKS blow-off valves installed and the K&N intake, and we're gonna give you guys a few sound clips of how it's gonna sound and overall how it performs.
Ah, that's shitty ass road, though.
Okay. Hope you guys liked the install video on the blow-off valve. If you guys want to follow along with the build series for the Genesis Coupe, Make sure to subscribe to the channel. There's going to be a lot more stuff coming your way. Drop a comment, let me know what you think, and like the video. And if you didn't like the video, still like the video. Thank you.